here. Welcome to Savic Magic Mountain.
Recently, I visited Las Vegas to film this cheap to chic lookbook. This lookbook features 4 inexpensive outfits that can be worn as everyday wear or spruced up for a chic look. The first look is this hot pink off-the-shoulder dress paired with bubblegum blue sneakers. Look number 2 is a basic sleeveless white tee with distressed denim jeans. I also paired this look with some black slides. For the third look, I paired a blue tie-dye spaghetti strap top with white denim pants and silver and white sandals. For this look, I wanted to go for a more playful and colorful outfit. My fourth and final look is a pastel pink set. I matched a sleeveless pink bodysuit paired with pink leggings and the same silver and white sandals. Next, I changed up each look for a more glamorous and chic element. For the first look, I paired the hot pink dress with a statement necklace and sparkly nude heels. The second look has a dressy yet casual tone. I paired the white tee and distressed denim jeans with this blue leather jacket, a choker, and spiked tan wedge heels. Now for a more casual appeal, I paired the tie-dye top and white denim pants with a dark cambry top. I pulled it off one shoulder and added silver elements to my necklace and also in my shoes. For this last look, I paired a long sleeveless belted khaki vest over top the pastel pink set. I paired that with rose gold heels, some bold statement earrings, and a gold clutch. Which outfit was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.